Hello everyone, my name's George and today we're going to learn various expressions that start with to go on. The first expression that we're going to learn is to go on about something. So this is used when somebody talks about a topic for a long period of time and it's usually very boring and people that are listening want the person to stop talking. So, for example, he always goes on about his cat. So this means he always talks continuously about his cat and it's very boring to listen to. Now, you can exaggerate this by saying on, and you can repeat this a number of times. For example, he always goes on and on about his car. So that means he always talks about his car for a long period of time and he goes on and on and on. He keeps talking about his car and it's so boring. In general, if somebody talks a lot and nobody's interested in what they're saying, you can use the expression, oh, he does go on a bit, doesn't he? He does go on a bit. He does go on a bit. However, because these expressions imply that a person is boring, I would use them with caution. So, what do you do for fun? I really like jogging actually. Let me just tell you some of my stats. Today I did a total of 7,246 steps. Yesterday I did 9,000. Day before that. This guy does go on a bit. If it's impossible to understand what someone is saying because they sound illogical or nonsensical, then you can ask them, what are you going on about? What are you going on about? What are you going on about? This basically means, what do you mean? But it's a ruder way of saying it because when you ask someone, what are you going on about? You sound annoyed and impatient because you can't understand what they're saying. You can shorten this expression by saying, what are you on about? What are you on about? What are you on about? And again, please be careful when you use this expression. Only use it with people that you are very, very close to. You're a wizard, George. I'm a what? You've been invited to attend Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. What are you on about? I'm 29. The last expression that we're going to look at is to go on at someone, which means to continuously tell someone to do something. For example, if somebody keeps on telling you to do the washing up, you can say, stop going on at me, stop going on at me. Again, this expression is used when you are annoyed and angry, so only use it with people that you are close to. Don't use it in informal situations and don't use it with people that you don't know very well.
George, can you do the washing up, please?
Yeah, I'll do it in a bit.
No, do it now.
Stop going on at me!
Thank you.
That's all we have time for today. Please write some example sentences in the comment section and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.